Hey everybody, I'm in the kitchen instead of the workshop today because there's just not enough room to lay all this out in the workshop. But what you're looking at is the parts for the 8 Model 12 Sunbeam Mixmasters that I just took apart. Now I've taken them all apart. That lets me wash everything completely. It lets me get all of the old grease out, make sure all the parts are there. I've cut the cords off of most of these. There were a couple that had cords worth saving. So I've got these 3 pink ones, I've got 2 white ones, a chrome one, a yellow one, and a green one. So my next step will be to go through and find all the best parts of each color to try to make as many intact mixers as I can in their original color, with their original paint, with their original decals. And then the next step will be to take some of the worst ones, like this one, and these will get a repaint. I can't match this paint perfectly, so I don't know whether I'm going to try to repaint this into a pink color or whether I'll repaint it some completely different color. When I sell a mixer that's been restored in its original color with its original paint, I call it restored. When I have one that I repaint into a different color, I call that reimagined, so that nobody is confused thinking that somebody made a Mixmaster in a color that didn't exist. So I've got a few challenges. Obviously this base is in bad shape and we'll need to paint. There's also a pink face and a pink body that are in bad shape, so those will get repainted. The yellow one has a really rough turntable, but the rest of it's intact. Don't think I can match this perfectly, but I may go ahead and just paint the turntable just so that I can keep everything else. I've got all the handles, I've got all the beater ejectors, I've got all the gears. I'll be able to get 7 of these running. The reason for that is that I'm missing a part that can't be replaced. There is a small bushing. I don't even know if you can see that. Here's one of them in this plastic bag. It's a small, teeny tiny plastic bushing. It fits into this little hole and it holds this in the right position so that it runs smoothly and doesn't grind. One of these mixers did not have a bushing in it. I literally felt it with my fingers to see if I could find that last bushing, and I couldn't find it. So I'll only be able to get 7 of these running with the parts I have here. The other place that I lost a part, so I would have only gotten 7 going anyway, is that one of these hubs broke. That's a beater hub that goes like that, and you can see it has this little cup on the end of it, and this one broke off when it was coming out. I'm excited to get started. I'm going to start with the pink one. If you've seen my other video, you know I'm going to sell the pink one on my website and donate the proceeds to Men Wear Pink. I'm gonna get all these out of my kitchen now and get this stacked up and back in the workshop so that I can get busy. And hopefully the next time you see me, I'll have an operating pink Mixmaster Model 12 ready to list on my website so someone can buy it and benefit the American Cancer Society.